progress.
What the fuck is that? Audio on that one.
All right, we're gonna set some anchor bolts. We have our bar tied, footers dug, jigs built, and now we're ready to set some anchor bolts. So essentially what's happening is slab up here comes out, meets concrete wall right here. Slab meets concrete wall. Airspace, 8-inch block wall right here, and slab down here. And this is all got to be essentially bomb proof. So that's what we're working on right now. All these uprights here will be inside cells of block, and we want those exactly 8-inch on center where they want to be. So we're going to put them in our jig there and get everything where it's supposed to be. Now what's going to happen here is I have my hub, which is a 15-inch or 15-foot, offset for our building corner line. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set my theodolite centered on this pin here, and then shoot down. And down there I have a pin that the surveyor gave me down there that I'll set my crosshairs on my theodolite on. And then I'll be able to come down to each one of these, and I'll be able to transfer this wall line onto each one of my jigs. And then I can set my anchor bolts. And then I can measure off of that pin down there this way for my crosshair on my anchor bolts, so I can get them measured out properly. So that's what we're working on now. Bud's here. We got the coolest pump guy in the business.
It's up to you, but I mean, I don't know what you care about.
We're gonna get it poured.
Put a little bond on the end beds or whatever, but I mean.
We got it pretty much done. Got it all poured out, striked off. Now we're just gonna make it nice and smooth on that far side of rebar down through there, which is where the block layers are gonna put a block wall. So we're gonna make that fairly smooth over there for them, and we're gonna call it a day.